Sandwich time, sandwich time. It is time for a sandwich. Which? Jersey Mike's chipotle steak and cheese. Mike's way? Nah, keep it simple, please, and thank you. I don't know why I do that. Long story short, I'm home alone for a brief spell, so I'm making sandwiches and going crazy, and the first one on our list is a twist on a classic steak and cheese. First, we're gonna cube up our beef, and before you get upsetty spaghetti, I have never said this was a Philly cheesesteak. I like the steak shaved as much as the next little chef on the shelf, but I grew up with cubed and it's a beautiful thing, I'm telling you. Please don't hate me, Philadelphia. I already have Italy cross with me, and I can't keep making enemies of all the great food places in the world. I love your cream cheese. With that done, we're gonna chop up some veg. I'm doing some green and red bell pepper, a nice bit of onion, and let's add a little kick. We've earned it. I'm throwing in some pickled jalapenos. Now for our cooking method of choice, I have an electric griddle. This is a great choice, and what I've done here is pre-greased it by cooking bacon for a different sandwich video you can check out, you cheeky peach. That's gonna be our primary cooking fat and at least some of the salt content. Alright, griddle on high heat. We're tossing the veg on and not being afraid to get them well caramelized. Once they've had a little time to mingle, we're tossing on that cube steak, cooking it for a solid 5 or so minutes or until it's got some good color on it, getting it mixed in with those veg, and we top with 2 slices of our favorite cheese. I don't know about you, but I like a cheese bowl, so we're doing classic white American cheese. Since orange cheese is not real, fight me. Whoops, let's prep our hoagie roll, which was homemade in our subroll episode, which you can watch at your leisure. Cut it mostly in half, then slab on some plain or chipotle mayo. Perfect. Okay, now all that's left is to finagle this bagel into the subroll somehow, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have any long spatulas. I should get one. Okay, I've got an idea. I'm gonna use a pizza paddle. That's not weird, and it's definitely gonna work. Not bad, right? Okay. Last step here, and I know this seems extra, but trust me, it makes a difference. We're wrapping our sub in paper and letting it rest for like 10 minutes. It's worth it, trust me on this. I mean, just look at that cross section. Brings a tear to my eye, I'm not afraid to tell you. Check out some of our other videos. We got sub rolls, desserts, even more sandwiches. There's lots to see and enjoy if you subscribe. Get it? Sandwiches are good, I'm telling you, life-changing. Bread, ingredients, toppings, genius work. For this reason, you've been jobbed.